let's talk about something off-car topic. It's more towards like a tech topic. So I finally got my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Come on, C300, you wanna be like AMGs? No. Anyway, yeah, I sideways a lot. So I got myself an iPhone 12 Pro Max. I bought it last week. Yeah, it came pretty fast. It came 1 week later. The suggested ETA was like 2 weeks later, but I managed to secure it anyway. So it's pretty alright. Now I want to talk about how the hype of Apple promoting their iPhone. In fact, the Pro and Pro Max wasn't their initial target, I would say. Yeah, it wasn't their initial target, but then surprisingly, right, the 12 Pro and Pro Max outsold their origin target, whereas the 12 and 12 mini doesn't actually works well. Probably, as you know, BMW larger their grille to make people in China happy. So probably it works the same as Apple. The word Pro means a bigger screen, probably, and the Pro Max means a lot bigger. Then why would someone bother 3,000 plus 4,000 ringgit to buy an iPhone 12 mini or the 12? Whereas in Malaysia, right, the 12 Pro, I think the difference between the base spec 128GB 12 Pro and the middle spec 256GB 12, right, the price difference is only like what? I didn't look at the price, but I think it's around 400 to 500 ringgit. Then might as well, if you do 12-month installments, right, per month you pay extra 50 ringgit. It's like you are paying your road tax, you know, in a way. Yeah, so people, you know, the hype going for the Pro and Pro Max everywhere. Like just now when I collected my phone, right, my new phone, the hype, I thought it has already faded out, but literally some of us, I think most of the people that are queuing, right, is going there to look at the phone, you know, asking, hey bro, 12 Pro ada stock or not? 256GB got stock or not? 12 Pro Max 256GB got stock or not? The hype is on the 256GB, but most importantly, right, the hype of everyone here is going for the Pro or Pro Max. Then yeah, if you pre-order, you will get your phone. If you don't pre-order, the stock is running fast for the 256GB because it stays between the 128 and the 512, and it justifies the price, you know. For like 300-400 ringgit extra for the 12 Pro Max, starts at 5399. You add it up a bit, you get the 256GB. But then when you step up all the way, going up to 512, right, you need to add extra 1K, which is stupid lah. So yeah, some people has the cash, they feel that. I think most of the content creator lah, not me lah, if they are using their phone for work, right, 512 actually in fact justify the price point. But you know, I got my laptop, I got Google Drive, no lah, not Google Drive lah, I got external hard disk 1TB, then I got my 256 iPhone, I have my Samsung which I'm gonna sell it off anyway. Then I still got what? My GoPro. I have, you know, in fact, before I decided to go for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, right, I did consider keep my phone, so I keep on, you know, buying SD card to slot into my phone, but then useless. Now either the SD card goes to the dash cam, which I'm still thinking whether to get a dash cam or going to the GoPro. Yeah, I think that is the only usage that I use. And some of the time, unless I completed my edit already, I will remove all the archive files. Some of the unused archive files, I will delete everything. Yeah, of course, it's a haze of, you know, during editing you might need the old footage back, but yeah, I had that trouble a bit recently. So anyway, it's more towards like your storage planning thingy. It works fine. But anyway, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, you know, the moment, okay lah, let me tell you something. I actually went in and out from Switch, right? Since when I booked my phone, right, I went in and out Switch for like around 10 times already to, you know, search for the best screen protector, best and affordable, because, you know, 5,000 plus 6,000 for a phone, that is insane, you know. It's almost the price of a laptop. Then I was thinking, you know, I can't lose out the protection since this phone is so expensive. I need to source for bang for buck casing, tempered glass, and at the end, Pigeon was the best, but then was the sort of affordable and good quality in a way. But then the Pigeon, you know, they're running out of stock pretty fast, you know. Yeah, I couldn't secure. I actually bought one during Black Friday, but then when I collected the phone, the shipment is not yet arrived. So no choice. When I collected my phone, I decided to buy another casing, which is around the same as the Pigeon one. There's nothing much difference, and the Pigeon screen protector. In fact, I thought, you know, it's gonna be super expensive. It's 100 plus, but then got 2 pieces inside, so I kept one. Another one is on the phone already. So no, not this camera thingy. But yeah, and when the immediate feeling, right, when I step out from Samsung going into Apple, right, you feel the kind of premiumness in it. The moment you grab the box, right, it feels one step atas. Yeah, seriously. And this bus is merging up. Okay, so it feels one step atas. It's like comparing a 600,000 BMW 540i CPU versus a what car is that price range? Say, you know, a Bentayga without tax 600,000. Yeah, that's sort of upgrade, but with tax of course difference. That is why iPhone price is slightly higher than Samsung. Yeah, but then the quality is, you know, the moment that you grab the box, I didn't touch the Note 20 box, but I felt that the premiumness on the iPhone box rather than the previous Samsung. Yeah, that is the way. Yeah, I'm not sure how the Note 20 is doing, but I felt that it's premium. Yes, of course, the box is slimmer because without charger, but that is probably what Apple thinking. If you want something, you pay extra for that. That is the sort of like option you get in the Bentley. But I think Apple is moving on to something very, very, very sort of like innovative lah, but I think it's too fast for people to accept it. They are thinking of portless iPhone in the 13. Yeah, so maybe some of the people wouldn't accept it. Like myself, I wouldn't accept it. Portless, nah, too fast, you know. They started the hype of USB-C. Then they want to do something portless right now, all cloud-based. Cyber security, you know, it gotta be strengthened a bit. But I think it's too fast for me. So initially I thought of waiting for the next generation iPhone, but no. Luckily I didn't do that, fortunate enough. So I'm not ready for that, to be honest, but hence I get a 12 Pro Max. And you think of this, right? The moment when I start to peel off the box, right? Oh, that, you know, the experience is totally different from what I had in Samsung earlier. You know, Samsung, the box is, yeah, recyclable, blah blah, but and the most important part, when I got my Samsung phone earlier in 3 years ago, right, the box is super hard to unbox, you know. iPhone is super direct. You peel, boom, your phone is there. iPhone one, you still need to, no, not iPhone, the Samsung one, you still need to, you know, take out, then like a pocket holder. It's nice, but no, it's not user friendly lah. So yeah, and inside the box is very slim, and the iPhone, I think it's the logo or the wallpaper, something like this. There's textured, you know, it is textured, so it feels like a level up. Like say comparing a car, it's like one level up from BMW. Yeah, that is the way to explain. Yeah. So I'm pretty excited. You know, I couldn't sleep when I received the call yesterday. That, you know, hey sir, your phone is ready. Whoa, I tell you, excited. You know, damn excited. Yeah, because this is the first time I'm taking a challenge to, you know, switch to iPhone. You know, previously I hate Apple stuff a lot, but now I'm making that change because the 12 Pro is supremely good in a way. And recently my phone, right, the carrier sort of like hanging around, like it buffers. Let's see the 12 Pro Max can, let's see what that phone can do. Yeah, of course I'm expecting the phone itself. If you are mentioning that, you know, the Pro Max is much more larger than the Pro, no, because I'm pretty used to Galaxy Note, the phablet thingy, right? I don't think the Pro Max is too big lah. Previously I thought it will, but before I buy it, I go and test it out. Yeah. So, and anyway, if you really want to buy, right, be sure fast, you know. I tell you, the stock of the 256 gig, right, they restock habis. Samsung, I don't think has this kind of height lah. And when people say economy not good, you know, you are still buying 6,000 ringgit phone. This is the thing that you use daily, you know. So if you can afford, of course, go for it. If you can't afford, save yourself more money. Probably most people say, you know, you are too poor to own an iPhone. Nah, that's bullshit lah. Yeah, seriously. So work out the way that you want. If you really would like that thing, just work out for it. Don't complain. Yeah, that's all I want to rant about the new iPhone, the hype, everything. But I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Actually, I already unboxed lah, so I retain the package to make it feels like, you know, haven't unboxed it. Let's see what's inside. The texture is premium, that kind of atasness. Am I exaggerating? No. Yeah, it's premium, seriously. So, okay, that's all I want to rant, and cheers guys, see you guys in the next one.